Connecting a new device on KuCoin is a straightforward process that ensures your account remains secure. Follow these steps to successfully link your new device. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Open the KuCoin app or website and enter your login credentials. If you have two-factor authentication 2FA enabled, be prepared to enter the code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Add a new device. In the security settings, find the option to add a new device. Click on it, and you may be prompted to verify your identity through 2FA or other security measures. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 4. Confirm device connection. After entering the required verification codes, you will receive a confirmation prompt. Review the details of the new device and confirm the connection. This step may also include a notification sent to your registered email or phone. Step 5. Test the connection. Once the new device is connected, log out of your account and log back in using the new device. Ensure that you can access your account without any issues. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps. By following these steps, you can easily connect a new device to your KuCoin account while maintaining your account's security. Always remember to keep your login credentials and verification methods secure.